quick little trade recap. W today. I'm pretty tired, so gonna see what I can muster here. All right, so coming into the morning, I was pretty bullish. We were respecting hourly fair value gaps, disrespecting bearish hourly fair value gaps. Near all-time highs. Very much bullish to start off the day. So coming into the morning, we had this pre-market 15-minute fair value gap, and I wanted to see us respect and keep going off this. So we had a beautiful respect. It was actually part of me that thought we were going to inverse this 15-minute because we were making some strides below it. But we came down below it and got an internal 5-minute SMT with ES, as you guys can see here. These lows right here got swept out from pre-market by ES, but not by NQ. So immediately, my bias to start the day was bullish. We have a 15-minute respect. We have an internal SMT. You go out to the 15-minute chart, like, this is a fucking, what's it called? A low inside of a fair value gap from this, we have this fair value gap as well here. So, you're coming down, tapping into two fair value gaps and creating an SMT. What did you see here, ES? Where is it? We had the SMT with fucking this low right here. So beautiful SMT. Following our bias, 15-minute respect, we now go to the 5-minute. So we had this 5-minute singular. We get the close that we wanted. And for targets, previous day high and New York PM high were absolutely obvious fucking targets. I didn't want to go for too crazy of a risk to reward. I put my stop loss below the low, and for a little over 1-to-1, I went for this New York PM high. I thought about leaving it to previous day high, but I just wanted to collect my profits since we were taking a trade so early in the morning, like we were done before 9:50. So I just wanted to take my profits and get off for the day. And literally, we got a little pullback here, and we're kind of, halfway to stopping us out. And all of a sudden we flip, we're back around break even, and then just one candle took us to TP in about 1 second. Just a random ass spike to TP. Absolutely beautiful delivery. Done in 5 minutes. And yeah, we hit our PM high, and then we just kept going. And of course, literally top ticked previous day high. I know people who had fucking limit orders resting here. And, the move that they fucking got, come on, dude. So yeah, crazy, crazy day. To be honest with you, I didn't really look at charts after that. The only other thing I could see here potentially playing out, I don't even know, bro, because we didn't even hit this. So, for other setups today, I'm sure longs were probably still valid. Let's see. Let's see what we did here. So, we had an SMT with this low tapping into this fair value gap. So, let's see here. Sweeping out this low. What's the highest time frame? Nothing on the 3. Nothing on the 2. Oh my buns. Okay, so this is pretty nice. So another trade you could have taken was this SMT and hourly tap on ES. 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Stop below the low, target the swing high. That would have been another nice trade. So if you didn't hit either of these two, it's all good. I'd say try to focus on that, don't get married to your bias, but always before the market opens, check out the 4 hour, check out the 1 hour, check out the 15, see, okay, what gaps are we respecting and what gaps are we disrespecting? Meaning, are we inversing bullish fair value gaps and respecting bearish ones, then that we're bearish? Or on a daily today, you go to the hourly, you come like to here, we're respecting bullish fair value gaps, we're disrespecting bearish fair value gaps, so especially because we're at all-time highs, longs look very pretty. All right.